Hello, students. Uh, Let us continue the topic propane. Propane molecule which contain three carbon molecule, that is which has the molecular formula C3H8, means three carbon molecules attached to one another with 8 hydrogen. Okay, here you will see that valency of all means C C3 means in between one carbon to other carbon linked by a covalent bond, that is a single covalent bond. Okay, here uh, which has molecular formula is C3H8 in a similar manner. You will see that the valency of all atoms are satisfied by single bond between them. Such carbon compounds are called saturated compound. The saturated compounds are satisfied by other carbon, and it is saturated with hydrocarbon chain. Once hydrogens are attached to the carbon molecule, then it is known as hydrocarbon chain, and they are not unsatisfied valence electrons are not present. Okay, however, another compound of carbon and hydrogen has the formula is C2H4, and it is also called ethene. Ethene means there is a double bond between the two carbon atom. This ethene is a unsaturated hydrocarbon molecule because the hydrocarbon chain is unsatisfied. We see that one valence per carbon atom remain unsatisfied. This can be satisfied only while there is a double bond between the two carbon atoms. Because of that, ethene, if you say the ethane, ANE, eth plus ANE, there is a single bond between the molecule. Eth, ETH plus ENE, there is a double bond between the hydrocarbon chain. Eth plus YNE, there is a triple bond between the molecule. Here there is a structure of propane. Propane containing three carbons attached to one another, and there is no unsatisfied hydrocarbons or lone pair of electrons are not there. There is no valence electrons, all are satisfied in between the molecule, and there is a single bond present in the molecule. Propane means prop plus ane, means ethane, methane, butane, propane, these are the saturated hydrocarbon molecule. The electron dot structure of ethene, eth plus ene, it is given in the figure. At another compound of hydrogen and carbon has the formula is C2H2. C2H2 means one valence electron of each carbon is unsatisfied. Okay, here C2H2 uh, and is called ethine. Okay, can you draw the electron dot structure for ethine? How many bonds are necessary between the two carbon atom in order to satisfy their valency? Such compounds of carbon having double or triple bond between the compound is known as unsaturated carbon compound. They are more reactive than the saturated compounds. Saturated compounds are highly, these are